You know? Let's go! Ako sinasagot. Sabi mo alam mo meaning ng steady.
Ano?
Ba't nakatayo ka lang dyan? Go in Quiapo Church. Let's go my life. To go in Quiapo Church. So, this is it. I'm here. I feel blessed. Let's go. Number 1 daw dito to. Let's go. Pilahan daw dito sa Maynila. Kaya tikman natin. Let's go. Okay, let's go. Number 1, Bulalo. Let's go. Sabi mo, masarap to ah. Pag to, hindi masarap, yari ka sa akin. You know?